Morning, good morning. Where are we going?
McDonald's and the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna try to go to the McDonald's breakfast if we will be able to.
And then we will swim in the beach way over.
Yeah, and mommy and daddy need Timmy's.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what are you drawing? Can you tell me? They're so cute. Amazing. I love it. Here is McDonald's. The town look empty, isolated. Oh, here's Team Roman.
Nice.
Here, I'm gonna get some coffee
Turn
and then
left,
we'll go
then continue straight into the parking lot.
feed the kids. Roman coffee. Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
We are getting some coffee for Mom and Dad.
Timmy, Roman, Timmy, thank you. Thanks. Yeah, we got our meals,
I got the
McDonald's.
strawberry cat and I like the strawberry.
It's the yeah World Cup Happy Meal. It's so cute. And what
I
Maggie
wanted
got?
it.
Let's see what Maggie got. She also got the same. What it's called, Maggie?
Oma.
Oma?
Almost Roma.
My name is
Oma.
Oma.
It's the strawberry cat.
Yeah.
My name is strawberry cat.
Okay. And me and Dad, we got our coffee. I got my muffin.
And even she like a strawberry.
Very nice town. I like it that it's clean. And the field is clean. What are you talking about? It's so clean.
Ukrainian Orthodox Auditorium.
We are stuck
For eternity.
for eternity. I don't know how long we'll be here. I don't see the end. 5 minutes already passed.
I wanted to put the SpongeBob music. 2 hours later.
Okay, 2 hours have passed. And we're still waiting. Finally.
Slide right onto Manitoba 20 alternate south.
Roman, slide right. Finally, this train is over. How much we're waiting?
I don't remember that long.
Yeah, 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
No, 1,100,000.
Yeah, I will say 1.5 million minutes. We arrived at the beach. Here's Dexter already swimming, already wet. Here's Maggie, Olivia, Ivy. Here Maggie has a big rock. You can throw small rocks, sweetie. Here, I'll give you the floaty and you give it to Daddy, okay? Dexter is playing.
Hey, Dad, can you blow this for me?
Floaty. Oh, where is Maggie? Oh, she's in the play. Oh, I got her scared right now. Okay, it will take a while, Roman. Yeah, it's a big floaty.
Look at the fishermen. They are leaving. Moving a little bit.
Yeah, they should move a little bit because
Yeah,
this
we
is the
have-
playground for
Yeah, I'm
kids.
sorry, we will be
So
noisy.
yeah. Waiting for her floaty. Come on, you can do it, Maggie. I believe in you. And oh, come on, little monkey. Oh, almost.
It's so cool.
Maggie, come closer, love. You like it?
Yeah.
Body is ready.
I don't know how I can go.
Here, Roman.
Oh my gosh, it's cold!
It's cold. How are they swimming? Those little ones.
Not that cold like Little Egg, but it's...
Look at Abby. She's helping you. Come on. It's just a tiny baby bug. Here. Dex, come! Come, Dexter, come! Look how far they went. Celine is reading a book. She loves books. Oh, my baby. It's you, it's me.
Got it.
Where is Papa? Here he is. Here he is. Swimming all around. She's so beautiful.
Mom, can you tell me where is Daddy dressing up?
In the car. Where is it?
Yeah, right there.
It's running away!
Shoot, Roman. I don't know if. Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it.
It's right there. Let's
Oh, there's another one. He's running to a mama or a papa or his girlfriend. I don't know.
Oj, mistress.
So we popped into Walmart in Dauphin. It looks so small. Woo! All in your face. Let's redo it, but the other way. Oh! Freedom! Seeds everywhere. What's wrong? Okay, so we're the bison enclosure. Hope we'll be lucky and we will see at least one bison. So here's a trail. You can go there if you want. I think Roman went there to explore. There's one more trail over there. Point of view. Let's go check. Let's go in. Dexter's first. Oh, looks nice. But no bison! Where are you girls and boys hiding? Where are they, Roman?
I don't know.
Not even one.
They went to Yellowstone.
Oh, so not lucky. Not. We didn't see a bear. We didn't see a bison. We didn't see anything.
And no signal. We're gonna die if something happens.
We found them! Oh my gosh! Look at this guy walking. Maggie, do you see it? Celine, do you see them? They're babies also. Oh my gosh!
There's baby ones. There's the orange one.
Look, this one is coming this
Yes,
way.
the baby.
Roman, he's coming here.
The baby one.
Yeah, but you don't approach them because they will protect the babies. Look at the boss. The boss is coming toward us.
It's the father, I think. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Oh, I see the baby. Oh.
Clear Lake again. We are very close to the wishing well, which we visited yesterday. And now we are just here to make a beautiful, beautiful picture. Is it? Is it? Yes, she calls me. Ivy doesn't want to let us hug. Ah, she doesn't let us hug. She's biting me. She's biting me. She's so jealous. The same like her mom. Mwah. A picture hunter. Nancy is a picture hunter. Nancy.
Our second day making Angus burgers. Yummy, they look so good, eh?
Yeah, I didn't destroy it yet.
Looks delicious.
Mama.
Yes, love. Yes, love. Yeah, we're gonna make hot dogs. We're gonna make lots of delicious things. S'mores, marshmallows. Yeah, keep it for the marshmallows. And you can draw for now. You can draw how Papa is making burgers. Yummy. Oof, what a fire.
I need more fire.
She needs more fire.
There's enough.
Fire you. How about that? You're off the job. Go have a vacation.
No.